We want to make sure na they are all the same caliber as SB19. They are composers and create their own music, so that's a hint of what to expect from this girl. So na-expect na po ba ng marami na ang girl group na bubuuin ng 1C Entertainment ay katulad ng SB19 or masasabi nating girl version ng mga boys? Marunong mag-compose, marunong lang lahat, marunong mag-edit, marunong like SB19 talent. So yan po ang girl group na ilalabas ng SB19 1C Entertainment. Narito po ang mensahe na ibabahagi natin mula sa post ni Samantha Kiana Cullen Kim. Anyway, sabi dito, in terms of the girl group, definitely this year, I cannot say the actual date, but it's coming soon. Last year, we started the auditions for the girl group. If you visited our social media, you'll see we're looking for a new set of trainees. Yes, we're training a girl group and another group is coming in. We're currently on the audition process. It will be a mix. This one is for boys and girls. Galahan said. He added, let's position them in terms of the current P-pop girl groups in the Philippines. It's very different from the current landscape in terms of music and the dynamic of the girls. Patuloy nga ng pahayag, current landscape in terms of music and the dynamic of the girls, when asked if these girls are fresh faces in the entertainment scene, Galahan said, oh yes, regarding the process, we want to ensure these girls are truly new. No exposures yet or anything. Puhunan talaga nila ay yung mga pangarap nila. Their real investment is their dreams. We need to ensure these girls are ready. We want to make sure they are at the same caliber as SB19. They are composers and create their own music. So that's a hint of what to expect from these girls. Yan pa ang naging say ni Galahan. Ito nga ang naging pagbabahagi ng Galahan is Marketing Communications Manager 1Z Entertainment. Ibinahagi din ito ng artikulo ng Manila Bulletin kung saan ay inihayag nila sa artikulo ang nasabi nga pong SB19 Talent Manager teases new girl group. Well, inaantay na nga po ito ng mga fans and for sure ay talagang sobrang kanila itong nililinang sa kanilang talent. Kaya pagka inilabas nila ito, siguradong ready na nga po ang girl group ng 1C Entertainment. At yan ang ating showbiz top update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Showbiz Top.